Introduction of road situation in Malaysia. According to the Ministry of Transport Malaysia, the number of road accidents in Malaysia has increasing during the last 10 years. To mitigate traffic congestion and enhance road safety, Malaysia has been implementing road calming measures. These measures include the installations of speed hump, roundabout, and traffic island, as well as the creation of pedestrian-friendly zone. Route calming techniques aims to reduce vehicle speed and enhance pedestrian safety, particularly in high-traffic urban areas and residential neighborhoods. About traffic calming of Malaysia. Traffic calming are the combinations of mainly physical measures that reduce negative effect of motor vehicles use after driver behavior and improve conditions for non-motorist street users. Victoria Transport Policy Institute define traffic calming as a certain design and strategies to aim for reducing speed and density of vehicles on roads. Unfortunately, the majority of these traffic calming were taken on a spontaneous basis without any formal standard or guideline. Rather, they depended only on requests from the local traffic director and his or her experience. Additionally, no research has been done to determine the effectiveness or evaluate the utilized scheme. Type of traffic calming. The first type of traffic calmings are chicane. Chicane is a type of horizontal deflection used in traffic calming scheme to reduce the speed of traffic. Driver, in order to reduce their speed, to negotiate the lateral displacement in the vehicle path. Chicanes also known as single-lane walking chicane or priority narrowing. And the second ones are roundabout. Roundabout are like an island or rounded plate that is placed in middle of a junction. Beside, vehicles should enter the roundabout in clockwise flow along the circles and require the driver to slow down the speed and allow them to comfortably maneuver around them.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nulinisha Fikara binti Muhammad Zain and our matric is 29734. My part is about type of traffic calming. Types of traffic calming. Continue from my friends. The next slide is about a speed hump. Speed hump have a short rounded top which is typically 25 millimeters high, whilst arrow have been painted on the ramps on either side to increase awareness to driver of the vehicles. The speed hump is designed to make vehicles slow down to an appropriate speed because driving over the ramps too quickly may cause a discomfort for driver. The next is about a road marking and signage. Road marking and signage are useful factors in traffic calming measure which entails minimizing of speeds achieved by automobiles as well as improving traffic safety in zones that are predisposed to accident and comprising heavy pedestrian movement. These strategies are especially useful in residential districts near a school or any area densely populated with people and cars to high level of vehicle pedestrian interface. The last slide for types of traffic calming is speed limits. Speed limit signs are prominently displayed in areas where traffic calming is necessary. These things indicates a lower speed limits in residential areas, school zones, and near pedestrians crossing. Speed limit sign that display the current of approaching vehicles can also be used to remind drivers to slow down. Now move to the next slide is about positive impact traffic calming. Firstly is road safety. Traffic calming makes a road safer by slowing down cars and reducing their numbers. Features like speed bumpers, roundups, and raise a crosswalk force driver to go slower, lowering the risk and severity of crash. When a car's driver have more time to react and avoid hitting other cars, pedestrian and cyclists. Adding clear signs and route marking also help a driver understand and respond to the route better. Research shows that this measure reduce traffic injuries and death, making road safer. This safer environment encourage people to walk or bike instead of driving. The second slide of about positive impact traffic calming is increased neighborhood interaction. That's mean a traffic calming measure also help people in a neighborhood connect more with each other. When a traffic slow down, feel suffer and more likely to engage in social activities and meet their neighbors, which strengthen community bonds. This measure encourage walking and cycling, which further promote social interaction and improve people health. Plus, with less traffic noise, the area become quieter and more enjoyable in life in. And the last part of positive impact traffic calming is increased property value. In a neighborhood with a traffic calming measure, property value if often go up. This area become more popular because they are safer, quieter and more attractive. Families and willing to pay more for homes where they can walk, bike and exercise outdoors safely. Improvement like better sidewalks and paths not only reduce traffic congestion but also make the area look nice. Realtors and developers know this and use traffic calming as a selling point. So this measure not only make drivers suffer but also increase the property value, saving money for homewards. Thank you.
Traffic calming challenge. While traffic calming feature require a initial investment for install and upkeep the cost varies greatly and depending on the chosen method, such as speed bump, raised intersection, or even street landscaping. Furthermore, effective traffic calming necessitates careful planning and engineering, which may include traffic flow studies, community consultant, and design fees. Driver accustomed to higher speed might find traffic calming measures like speed bump or narrow lane frustrating. This frustration could lead to dangerous behavior like speeding over bump or swerving into oncoming traffic. The perceived inconvenience might also stem from the belief that these measures are necessary later commute. However, it is important to remember that traffic calming aims to encourage more consistent driving, ultimately creating safer street for everyone. Not everyone in community might be on board with traffic calming measure. Some residents may perceive that them as a convenient, fearing they will increase commute time or make it difficult to navigate streets. Others may feel they disrupt the character of the neighborhood, preferring the wider, less regulated aesthetic of traditional road. They may also be concerned about the impact on parking available or access for deliverers.
Next, we have 3 points how traffic calming reduce the risk of accident occur. First point is reduce vehicle speed. Second point is change driver characteristic. And the third point is decreasing traffic volume. First point is reduce vehicle speed. Reducing vehicle speed with traffic calming measures improve driver reaction time and reduce the severity of collision. Techniques such as speed bump, raised crosswalk and narrow lane force drivers to slow down, which make road safer for driver and pedestrian. Fatalities and serious injury decrease at lower speed because of both the likelihood of accident and lower impact forces. By implementing this action, the community can create a safer and more comfortable environment for pedestrians, which will encourage people to drive more carefully and reduce the number of accidents. Second point is change driver characteristic. Traffic calming measures change driver characteristic by encouraging more be careful and attentive driving behavior. Road narrowing and roundabout are some examples of features that make drivers more aware of their surroundings and force them to slow down and steer more cautiously. This measure encourage drivers to stay alert and make more careful decisions. Traffic calming improve overall road safety by reducing aggressive driving, increasing response time and improving the overall safety of all road users. The third point is decreasing traffic volume. Traffic calming measures that reduce the traffic volume such as road closure, cul-de-sac and the implementation of pedestrian zone. Reduce the risk of accident by reducing the number of the vehicle on the road. This strategy reduce congestion and the likelihood of collision by diverting traffic away from residential areas and busy pedestrian zone. Fewer vehicle decrease competition on the road, which reduce risky movement and aggressive driving behavior. With fewer vehicles on the road, driver can drive more safely and easily, while pedestrians and cyclists benefit from a safer environment.